So the next product in the beauty icons category is Clarins Beauty Flash Balm. This is a true classic. It was launched in 1980 and some people say it was the first primer. You can use it mainly before you're doing your makeup to sort of moisturize, hydrate the skin. You can also use it throughout the day to kind of refresh your makeup and to add a bit more highlight to the cheekbones, which I've been doing lately when I just want to give a little bit more freshness without that sort of disco ball, she's wearing highlighter look. I like it. It just looks like nice, beautiful skin glowing through. Or it's beautiful after a full day when you have to go out after work for drinks or you're meeting someone and you don't want to do a full face of makeup. You can cleanse if you have time and then put this on and then put your makeup back on and it just freshens you up. It's like having a little mini facial before you go out. Reported fans: Kate Moss, Reese Witherspoon, Cindy Crawford, Michelle Bridges and Katrina Lawrence on the site who we interviewed. Love it. So it's a well-loved product. You'll find it in many makeup artist kits and it's definitely one worth trying.